Come here, Nori. What's your problem, bro?
She's only holding the thing in the middle like this and it's not touching anything.
Tito, teacher. Teacher, come.
But every single second I
Hold
touch her
her,
hand,
hold it
she's
with her.
stopping.
Dori, let her.
What's gonna
Hold, say that you're gonna hold it with her. Come hold it with her. So move. Hold it with her. And be gentle. Dori, yes? Good job. Good job, buddy. You have to hold it and on the thing. You have to push it down on the thing.
Why are you pushing your nose? Like that. Then get out. Oh. You're gonna get out and mix it.
That's enough. Yellow flour.
Wait,
A bowl of flour. You.
empty your salt on.
Yeah. I watched.
Okay, I'll mix while you pour the flour. No, come on the other side.
لا switch. Too heavy.
Fairuz,
Nam! Nam!
why you mad?
Nothing. No, I'm not mad. What do you want?
Like you didn't say.
عايزة ممكن أقول حاجة؟
أيوه.
ما ينفعش نخلط الدقيق بدقيق بالسباتيولا. شيلوا بقى دي، شيلوا المضرب واخلطوا الدقيق بالسباتيولا.
عندك gloves؟
عندي ايه؟
gloves عشان نعمله بإيدينا.
لا ولا بإيدك، بالسباتيولا.
فين التانية؟ حطيتي فين التانية؟
I don't know.
يعني I don't know.
And I was using it to do the butter. Ah, we found it. يا ستي.
You were terrible at mixing.
Wait, when do we put the eggs?
After. Let me check. Keep mixing. Say والله.
Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch right to the dry mixture. That's the secret.
You don't need that.
خدي يا روز.
Second.
In this bowl, I have some magical brown butter. Brown butter is just butter.
Magical brown butter, yes.
It's really good. Some nice color on it. I have one instructions.
What the hell is he doing? That isn't part of the instructions. That's not really fun.
Yes, yes, go. Okay, first is vanilla.
Sorry, I forgot about that.
The baby style cake. I don't mind Christmas cheese on it, but you're used to it. So these are going to need some cookies, but in this bowl I have some magical brown butter. Butter to cook with the top. So it's I have one design, one full instructions, but it's a lovely, nutty, rich flavor. So you just sub in some all the butter for brown butter, and it's a delicious herb. It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Flavor.
1 tablespoon. Okay.
Go back to ChatGPT.
Yeah.
But search put tablespoon instead of just write tablespoon. You did? Excuse me. Okay. Alright. Give it a second. Tell me about it. Okay, write tablespoon.
Okay, we'll go.
I know, I'm just smoothing taps.
Go Rosie.
That is so cool! That is so cool, bro.
That's the first time you use an ice cream scooper.
Yes.
Wow.
Imagine using it for actual ice cream. though.
I do.
Stop.
لا ما تضغطيش عليها يا سولا. ايوه شيلي الزوائد الزايد اللي
Equal
حواليها
calories,
ده.
you know?
انا شايف
told mama to come help me to start the oven.
احنا مش عارفين ازاي نعمل فن.
هي كفايه كده، لا ما تحطيش تاني، حطي الصينيه التانية.
لا I don't want to.
هيلزقوا في بعض. هاتيها بقى حطيها في الفرن.
كده يا ستي خلاص كده perfection. Yeah, full portion.
كان سخن. امسكي. اقفلي بقى الفرن، احنا نفضل سايبينه.
امسكي فوطة أو حاجة.
I'm holding this. Definitely like 100% protection.
دي لسه دوب.
انا نحط دي.
لا مش هتستوي هي دي كده.
هيستوي.
لا
برو.
امسكي انت واحده كده بقى وقطعيها.
Great job. You broke the cookie. Yeah. So take your cookie. Let's wait the cookies.